Hey guys, what's going on today? We got some stuff going on out here at the forge. I've already made some holdfasts. You guys have seen plenty of videos, so I didn't film any of that, but I'm running a Black Friday sale on those, so I'm trying to make a few extra of those. And one thing that I haven't made in a while is a set of tongs, and I think that having a set of bolt tongs would be really beneficial. So I'm going to go ahead and try to forge out some bolt tongs out of this piece of rebar and just see how it works. Sometimes the rebar works, sometimes it doesn't. So, you know, we're going to heat it up and try to smash it and see if it'll actually do anything. Alright, so the first thing I got to do is cut this piece down and in half. There's the piece that got punched out of the hole. Still a little warm. Now I just got to check the fit for the piece to connect everything. Alright, so we're on our final steps here. I forgot to film putting all the boss and all the tong pieces together. I did get the holes punched, and they are in the forge right now. I'm heating up the clamping area real quick and gonna get one of the sides adjusted. It's got a little bit more of a hook on it than the other side, and it's not letting the length be the same. So I'm gonna flatten one side out and try to hopefully get the length the same. And you can see I also have to still twist this. I wasn't sure which way I had to do it, but now I know because they're all together. So there's the rivet. It's not pretty. This is the first actual rivet that I've had to do, but it works. So now I'm going to heat that end up right there, twist it, and then we'll get the final clamping area done. Alright, so here they are. This is the finished product. This is where I'm going to just leave it at. I had a lot of fun doing this. I got some holdfast forged, these bolt tongs, these hold the like railroad spikes and stuff. I don't really like how the tip is though. I think it would be a little bit odd holding things, but I also don't like how the tip is twisted. I think on the next one I'll use like some actual thicker stock, and I'll cut a groove in on the top before I twist it and leave the end a little bit thicker, and then I'll just split the end so that the piece can go in there a little bit easier and I can form it a little bit better. It was really hard to form this. I ended up just using the end of the anvil, and I think that's why it looks all crazy shaped. But this is where I'm going to leave it. I can always just reform it. But I'm really happy I did the holes with the punch and also did the rivet for the first time. The rivet's ugly. These bolt hones are ugly, but they're usable. So I'm really happy with them. Another set I did before, they were kind of flimsy when you shook them back and forth. See, on this one right here, I ended up trying to do the punch. These work good for flat pieces. I've used these quite a bit. These are ugly too. These, I ended up just drilling the hole and getting the piece to fit in there, and then cutting down a rivet and beating it together. So maybe I guess I've done the rivet before, but all the other holes I've ever done have been with a drill. So now I'm gonna have a whole set of rebar tools. It's free though, right? So now I'm done for the day. Now I get to go rest, relax. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving if you guys celebrated, and if you guys did any Black Friday shopping, hope you guys got some good deals. So until next time,